Hey there, Mark, the Bearded Tech Skier, and welcome to another product review for the Big Picture AV website. Today we're looking at the Telecon X400. Great little package solution that we've put together. Comprises of the Sennheiser SP30, comes with three SP30, SP30 Plus, and SP30T. T being Microsoft Teams certified, has a little T button, and away you go for Microsoft Teams. This is a speakerphone. And this comes as hardwired USB-C. You can plug it straight in. It has a microphone built into it, and it also has a speaker built into it. So it's better than what was built into your laptop. Where this comes into its own really is the Plus, which the Plus adds the little Bluetooth dongle. You plug that into your laptop, you move away, you've got instant Bluetooth wireless capability to do some decent conferencing. Now, this thing is not the be all and end all, but it is a really good speaker, and I love it. I take it everywhere I go because I think it's really good for rooms 2 to 4, maybe up to 8 at a stretch. People where you want some quick maneuverability, decent microphone, decent speaker, really fast, and requires very, very little setup. You just plug it in. You can move it away and stand a Bluetooth range. Now, also has phone speaker built in. So when you Bluetooth your phone, no problem at all. Volume up and down, on and off. And also doubles as a standard speaker if you just want to play some music out of it. Couple this with the Logitech PTZ Pro Camera V2 HD 1080p 10 times zoom. Now this is a USB camera. So where you would use this is when you're getting a little bit further away from the webcam and you've got 2, 3, 4 people, up to 8 people. Great solution. You've got a little bit of zoom, comes with a remote, and just gives you something that bit better than your standard webcam, which is designed for one person standing in front of it or sitting in front of it. Great little camera, and you've got full panning, tilt up and down, and zoom in and out. Comes with this adapter lead, which is a 6-pin DIN that plugs in the back, but adapts out to USB and has a power adapter. Because it's a bit more power hungry than standard USB, it just needs that little bit more grunt. Coupled together, this is a great solution that would work into a classroom, plugged into an IFP or something along those lines, a flat panel with a PC built into it, or the laptop sitting beside where you plug the wireless dongle, the Bluetooth dongle. You plug that on top of your IFP, your wireless around with that. You've got 6 to maybe 8 teachers sitting around desks doing a Teams, Zoom, Skype, WebEx, whatever you want to do, and flexible to quickly get up and running in a hurry. It's a Telecon X400. Check it out. It's on our website now, and we'll see you soon.